What's up, everyone, and welcome to this B1 English listening. You can practice your listening and understanding as I speak. Today, we will talk about habits. Habits. We all have them, right? Some are good, some are not so good. But have you ever thought about how habits really affect your life? Like small things we do every day, they can change a lot over time. For example, waking up early. How does that feel? Some people love it, some people hate it. But let's think. If you wake up early, you have more time for yourself. Maybe you drink coffee, maybe you exercise, and slowly this small habit, it gives you energy for the whole day. But if you sleep late every day, you feel tired, slow, maybe even forget things. So small habits, they can change your whole life. Then there is brushing your teeth. It sounds very small, very simple, but if you do it every day, your teeth are healthy. And that's a habit you don't even think about. It becomes automatic. That's the power of habits. They start small, but they grow big without you noticing. Eating habits are interesting too. How does what we eat every day change our energy? Imagine eating vegetables and fruits every day. You feel strong, healthy, more active. But if you eat only snacks, maybe you feel tired, slow, or get sick easily. Food habits are very important. Exercise. Exercise is a classic habit. Some people love it, some hate it. But here's the thing. If you make it small and regular, it becomes easy. Like walking 10 minutes every day, then slowly 20 minutes, maybe running later. Small steps. That's how habits grow. And reading. How does reading a little every day help? You learn new words, new ideas, new stories. Maybe 1 page a day. It seems small, but after a month, that's 30 pages. After a year, wow, 365 pages. Small habits create big results. Let's think about bad habits too, like spending too much time on your phone. At first, it's fun, but slowly it takes time from important things, homework, exercise, sleep, and then you feel stressed or tired. That's why noticing habits is important. We can choose good habits, reduce bad ones. Breaking a bad habit is tricky. How does it work? You can't just stop suddenly. It's hard. You need small steps. Replace the bad habit with a good one. For example, instead of checking your phone first thing in the morning, maybe you drink water, stretch, or read 1 page. Small changes, big results over time. And here's the cool part. Habits can connect. One habit leads to another. If you wake up early, you exercise, you eat healthy, you read. That's a chain of good habits. And slowly, your life becomes better without big effort every day. Sometimes habits are invisible, like smiling every day, saying thank you, being polite. Small habits, they make you happy and make other people happy too. They change your mood, your relationships. You don't even notice, but they are powerful. And the most exciting thing? You can start a new habit anytime. You don't need to wait for Monday or a new year. Today is enough. Even one small action, today, can grow into a life-changing habit. So, let's think together. How does a small habit today affect your tomorrow? Little actions every day slowly build your life. That's the magic of habits. They're simple, but they're strong. They can make you happy, healthy, and successful. All right, everyone, that's it for today on Daily English Listening. I'm Jacob, and I hope this helped you practice your listening skills. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more daily English practice. See you next time.